In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to set up your lead magnet funnel in System.io with automation. So when someone puts their name and email, they receive that lead magnet in their inbox. Let's dive in. So what I have here is a checklist that we're pretty much going to be following for this video. So for step number one, is going to be to purchase your domain. I highly recommend GoDaddy or Bluehost, but you can use whichever platform you want to use for your domain. I'm also going to leave an article here that's going to help you connect your domain to System.io. I'm not going to go full in depth with that, but I will leave that article there and it's definitely going to help you. So for step number two, it's going to be to go to Google Drive. All right, you want to organize your lead magnet, your PDFs, or digital products inside of Google Drive. This is going to help out with this whole entire process. So just go to drive.google.com. Once you're here, all you want to do is click on new folder, and you want to name this folder whatever lead magnet or digital product that you plan on selling. So I'm just going to type in lead magnet example, just like so. I'm going to click on create. So as you can see, the folder is there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double click it. Now I'm going to locate a PDF that I'm going to be dropping inside of here. So I located a PDF and I uploaded it right here inside of this folder. So now we're going to go back to this checklist, and now I'm going to leave a funnel here that you're going to have access to. So this whole entire checklist, I will leave it in the description. All you have to do is just click on it and you'll have access to it. But inside of this checklist, you're going to have a funnel. It's a one-click import. All you have to do is click on it, and the funnel that we're going to be working with in today's video, with just one click, is going to import into your account. Real simple. All right. So I'm going to go right here to System.io. Now, once you're logged in, I'm going to assume you have a System.io account. And if you don't, once you click right here on this one-click import, it's going to prompt you to sign up for an account, and it's absolutely free. I think you get like 2 or 3 funnels or something like that, absolutely for free. So definitely worth it. Check it out. But I'm going to show you how to set it all up. Okay. So I'm going to go back over here to System.io. This is going to be the funnel that we're going to be working with. So once you get it, it's automatically going to import into your funnel section. So once you click on that, you're going to see that right there. Okay. So what you want to do first is edit this. Okay. You want to put the name of your lead magnet or whatever digital product, PDF, whatever. You want to put that information right here. You can also change this information for the URL path. Okay. So put something like lead magnet for whatever your PDF, lead magnet, or digital product is. And then once you're done, just click outside of it. And as you can see, it showed a green check mark. It shows it's good. So now what we want to do is click right here on edit page. Now, as you can see here, I have, a mock-up of an ebook. I have some text here. You can customize this to your liking. So if you want to change the color of the background, just right here where it says section, just click on it. Right here to the left-hand side, you're going to see background color. You could change this, all right? And one thing I highly recommend you guys do, it's really important, is once you make any changes, click right here on save changes. All right. And the same for this image. Just click on it, and you want to click on this X right here, and you want to upload your own ebook mock-up or whatever, right? Now, there are a couple platforms that I highly recommend for your mockups. The first one is going to be smartmockups.com. Okay. They have a bunch of ebook covers here. You can upload your design. Another one is going to be Placeit. Right here, you could type in ebook mockups. You're going to have a bunch of options to choose from. Now, another resource I want to share with you is going to be Glorify. This is the ultimate design tool, similar to Canva, but I just absolutely love this tool, and I believe you will love it as well. So I will leave it linked right here in this checklist as well, so that way you can get access to it. So I'm leaving those resources right there for you. But coming back over here to System.io, you want to edit this information tailored to your lead magnet. Same with this information here. So I have a couple inputs, the less is better. First name and just email. Now with this button here, you could click on here. You want to make sure that you don't change any of this information. Action when button click, make sure it says submit form, and you want to leave it to the next step. All right. Now you could change this information here, the button text, and also you can add in emojis as well. All right. Now you're wondering, hey Melvin, how can you add those emojis? Just real simple. I'm just going to open up a new tab. Boom. The app is called Pili app. So you could just, find an emoji, just copy it, come back over here, and you can paste it in just like so. And as you can see, that change happened right here inside of this funnel. All right. And all you want to do is make sure you click on save changes. So once you're done editing this part, make sure you click on save changes. Then you can click on this arrow after you saved your changes. I'm not going to save any of those changes, so I'm going to click no, click on leave. Now what you want to do is come over here to the thank you page. You want to do the same thing. Edit this information here. You can put thank you, download page for specific, lead magnet. And you also want to do the same thing for this URL path, and then click on edit page. Once you're here, you want to do the same thing. If you want to change the color of this background, you can do so. Just click on that green part that says section right here, boom. You could change the color of the background. All right. If you have a specific hex code, you could enter in that hex code right there. You can go on Google. You could type in something like blue hex code and it'll give you a code. Just put that code right here. That way, you can customize it to your liking. So right here, you could change this information as well. Okay. I have thanks for signing up. Please check your inbox for your ebook. Now it's really important because what we're going to do is set up an automation. So that way when they enter in their name and their email, they're automatically going to get that lead magnet inside of their email. Okay. It's all automation. And then right here, you can click on that and you can delete that image and upload your own. So now you're probably wondering, there's a button right here. Well, you can essentially deliver your lead magnet on the thank you page, but I don't recommend it. I recommend that lead magnet be delivered inside of their inbox. So this button I pretty much use if I want to promote an affiliate product to them, on this thank you page, right? So if I click on this button, action when button clicked, open URL. We could put our lead magnet there, but we're not going to do that. If you have an affiliate product that's relevant to your lead magnet, you can put that affiliate link right here. So when they click on that, it'll take them over to that affiliate product while they wait for their ebook or lead magnet. So if you don't want this, all you have to do is just click on it and just click on that little trash can. I just left it there. Maybe you find use for it. And once you're done editing all this information, click on save changes and you want to click on this arrow right here. I'm not going to save those changes. I'm going to click on leave just like that. Now this is where the fun starts. All right. I'm going to go right here to email and I'm going to click on campaigns. So this is what you want to do. Let's click on campaigns. And now you may not see no campaigns here on your System.io account if it's new, but just click on this blue button here that says create and you could type in your lead magnet. Okay. Whatever your PDF document is, just put that there. I'm just going to put lead magnet 4, copy that, and I'm going to paste it in just like so. I'm going to click on save. Now, once you're done there, just click on it and you're going to see this blank. Just click on create. So right here, this is where you're going to want to set up your email. You can leverage ChatGPT. I also left a prompt here along with an example email that you could use and you can edit it tailored to your lead magnet. So coming back over here to ChatGPT, I'm just gonna copy this subject line just like so. And remember, just edit. If you're using ChatGPT, just make sure you put your human touch to it. I think it's really important, especially with emails and things like that. You don't want this stuff going to spam folders. So that's my subject line, the sender name. This is the sender email. I'm using Classic Editor. I'm gonna click on save. So right here, it gives you an option to enter in the preview and the body. So I'm gonna come back over here to ChatGPT. Gonna highlight this text just like so. I'm gonna copy that, come back over here to System.io, and I'm gonna paste it in. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT, gave us some placeholders, but I'm gonna use System.io variables. All right. So I'm gonna click on first name, boom. So the person that opted into your list, once they receive this email, it's gonna say their first name. All right. It's real cool. So remember, just edit this email and right here, you can actually put access ebook now. And then I'm just gonna delete this. I'm gonna type in, I like using chat soon, just like so. And right here, you're gonna wanna highlight this, okay? Highlight it. Now you wanna come back over here to the Google Drive. So this is where you uploaded your lead magnet. You wanna click on these 3 little dots. You wanna click on share again. So right here under general access, it says restricted. Click on this arrow and you want to choose anyone with the link. Now you want to copy link, come back over here to system.io. And as you can see, this access ebook now is highlighted. Just click on this little link button right here. And you want to paste that in just like that. Now you want to click on this little check mark. Now you want to make sure you review it. Make sure everything looks nice. So for this preview, I'm actually going to choose this section here. And boom. Okay. And then once you're done there, all you want to do is click right here where it says save and publish. So this email will be sent after, so we don't have any previous emails, generated. So we're just going to leave everything the way it is and click on activate, just like so. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit. Actually, I'm going to go back here to email, click on campaigns. So I'm going to click right here once again. So as you can see, we do have an email. So this email is going to be sent right after they put in their name and email. It's going to fire off this lead magnet to them with this email. All right. So it's real cool. Now what we're going to do is create another email just to show you how this goes. Just click on create. We're going to go back over here to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy that, come back over here, boom. I'm going to leave it as classic editor, click on save, come back over here to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy that information, come back over here, paste that in. I'm going to copy this little information. I'm going to put that right here in the preview. And remember, you want to edit this information out. I'm just going to leave everything the way it is because I just want to show you this next step for the second email. Now I'm going to click on save and publish. So right here, now we're going to click right here on this arrow. This email will be sent after. You remember that first email? It's going to be sent right after that, but we're going to have it wait a day. All right. Once you're done there, just click on activate. Now, if we click right here on campaigns again, click on that campaign. As you can see, there's 2 emails. Now, I highly recommend, you load this. Now, I highly recommend you add a bunch of emails. Just the more emails, the better. You want to automate this stuff. So this is the way you do it. All right. So this is the first email. This is where the ebook is at, or your lead magnet. And this is the second email. And then you can follow through, for the third email, the fourth email, so on and so forth. All right. So now, how can we tie this together with the funnel that we created? Well, real simple. We're going to go right here to funnels. We're going to click on that funnel. Now, once you're here, you want to make sure you're on squeeze page and you want to click on automation rules. Now, right here, you're going to want to click on add rule. You want to click where it says funnel step form subscribed. Now, once you see that, just click on it. You want to click on add action. And you want to choose subscribe to campaign. Now you want to find that campaign that you created those emails for. There it goes. Now I'm going to click on save rule. As you can see, we have the green check mark, so everything is all set up. Now we're going to test this thing out, but it's important now. So once someone puts their name and their email, it's going to take them over to the thank you page. It's going to give them a message, all that good stuff, right? And that lead magnet should be delivered to their inbox. So let's test it out. So I'm going to click right here on squeeze page. Now, if you're going to be promoting your funnel, your lead magnet funnel on social media, this is the link you're going to want to use. All right. So this is the link, and you can also shorten this. You can use bit.ly, whatever. So I just click on this. I'm going to go right here, open up a new tab, and I'm going to paste in that link. I'm just going to enter in my name and enter in my email. Just like so. Now I'm going to click on access ebook now. Now I'm on the thank you page. Thanks for signing up. Please check your inbox for your ebook. So I see the ebook cover, and I see a call to action here that says click here for the ultimate keto plan. Obviously these doesn't, they're not related. However, if I'm curious and if it's relevant to the ebook that I'm going to be receiving in my inbox, I'm going to click on it, and boom. If it's something I can find value, and then, I may purchase this affiliate product, and guess what? You're going to receive a commission. That's the cool thing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to this inbox to see if that email was delivered. And as you can see, here goes the email. It says Hustlez Empire, your exclusive access to the lead magnet. So right here, this is that preview that we put. So I'm just going to click on it. And as you can see, it says, Dear Melvin, thank you for subscribing to my email list and expressing interest in receiving our free lead magnet, blah, 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 right? But then there's this button here that says access ebook now. I'm going to click on it, and guess what's going to happen? there goes the lead magnet. And that is pretty much how you can do this inside of system.io. Now, as you can see right here, that it shows that there's a contact, one email was sent, one email was open, total clicks 1, and that's obviously the email that I just opened right here. All right. So coming back over here to system.io, I'm going to go back to funnels. I'm going to click on this funnel here. Now, you can see your stats, your leads, all that right here inside of system.io in this page right here, okay? Squeeze page, you can see your stats and you can see the leads. Okay? Boom, just like so. There it goes. So that is how you could do it inside of system.io, and that pretty much wraps things up. To add some engagement here on my channel, let me know if this video was able to help you out. Also, what type of lead magnet you create. I'm curious to know what type of niche you're in as well. Let's engage. You have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Now that pretty much wraps things up for this video. If you found value in this video, consider liking and subscribing and hitting that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. And somehow YouTube's telling your boy that you should watch this video here. So I'll see you in that video. Thank you for watching.